Boosting FPS in Warzone Mobile. Improving frames per second in Warzone Mobile can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Here is how you can optimize FPS for smoother gameplay. Number 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your device's graphics drivers are up to date. Check for updates regularly to benefit from performance enhancements. Lower graphics settings. Access the game's graphics settings and lower options such as texture quality, shadows, and effects, and this reduces the strain on your device's GPU, resulting in higher FPS. Number 3. Adjust resolution. Decrease the resolution in the game settings, and to reduce the rendering workload on your device, lower resolutions typically lead to higher FPS. Number 4. Close background apps. Close any unnecessary background applications running on your device. This frees up system resources and ensures Warzone Mobile receives maximum processing power. Number 5. Enable performance mode. Some devices offer a performance mode or gaming mode that prioritizes resources for gaming applications. Activate this mode for optimized performance during the gameplay. Number 6. Limit FPS cap. Some devices allow you to limit the FPS cap in the game settings. Lowering the FPS cap can stabilize performance and prevent fluctuations. Number 7. Clear cache. Regularly clear the cache of Warzone Mobile to remove temporary files and optimize performance. Or you can just uninstall the game and install it again. Stay updated with the latest game patches and updates. Developers often release performance optimizations that can improve FPS and overall stability. Perform regular maintenance tasks on your device, such as clearing storage space, removing unnecessary apps, and restarting your device periodically. Monitor the temperature of your device during gameplay. Overheating can lead to performance throttling, affecting FPS. Use cooling pads or adjust settings to prevent overheating. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively boost FPS in Warzone Mobile and enjoy smoother and more responsive gameplay. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.